If you're not using Pic Time to deliver your galleries, photographers, then let me try to convince you why you should be. Okay, not only is it beautiful, but you can also send video and GIFs. And this is a new thing that they've added, but you can use AI to search the gallery. So whether you're searching for an action like hugs or separating galleries just by the florist that you can send to the florist, it is a game changer and it makes things super easy. I love having a store directly through the gallery link. It makes it super easy for the clients. They have tons of options, worldwide printers, and you can send client selections and build the album right through Pic Time, which is just super easy. Pic Time also has marketing automation built in, which is super cool for holidays like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, Black Friday, and you can easily integrate it to all of your galleries. Pic Time makes it really easy to do vlogs, seamlessly integrated with your galleries and SEO friendly. Recently, they teamed up with Honeybook, which I absolutely love because now you can integrate Honeybook and Pic Time, and you can move your galleries easily from whatever service you're using to Pic Time. Pic Time makes it super easy to switch from wherever your gallery is hosted right now. They seamlessly move everything over for you. And right now, you can get a free year of Honeybook with any professional or advanced plans of Pic Time. So now is as good a time to try it as any.